Muhammad Kamaludeen University, Ilorin, Kwara State, has been granted accreditation for 13 academic programs by the National Universities Commission, highlighting the institution's rapid academic growth less than 3 years after commencing operations.
Another thing is that we want to identify with you.
The pioneer Vice-Chancellor, Professor Rashid Jimoh, described this outcome as a 100% success following the accreditation exercise conducted in November 2025.
I am pleased to state that all the 13 programs passed the accreditation, representing a 100% success rate for our university. Alhamdulillah for this great milestone. For clarity, public record, the accredited programs are as follows. We have in the Faculty of Humanities, Management and Social Sciences, we have BA Arabic, we have BA History and International Studies, BA Islamic Studies, we have BSc Accounting, BSc Business Administration, and BSc Economics. In the Faculty of Science, Computing and Information Technology, we have BSc Chemistry, BSc Physics with Electronics, BSc Plant Science and Biotechnology, BSc Corporate Science, BSc Cybersecurity, and BSc Software Engineering. This achievement confirms that all programs presented met national academic standard in terms of curriculum quality, staffing strength, infrastructure adequacy, and institutional governance. The implication is that the university has crossed all hurdles and barriers of NYSC mobilization. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Furthermore, the recent institutional accreditation exercise conducted by the National University Commission NUC between 28th and 22nd April 2026 as a mandatory regulatory requirement for upgrading from provisional to full operational license was very, very successful, with commendations from the evaluation team on our facilities, academic delivery, and administrative structure and governance. It is important to clearly state that among university licensed within the same period with Muhammad Kamaludeen University in 2023, we are the only institution to have achieved accreditation status for our programs. This is factual regulatory outcome and a strong indicator of quality assurance and commitment, institutional commitment to academic excellence and integrity.
According to him, the Faculty of Science, Computing and Information Technology also secured accreditation for BSc Chemistry, BSc Physics with Electronics, BSc Plant Science and Biotechnology, BSc Computer Science, BSc Cybersecurity, and BSc Software Engineering. He also stressed that the university fosters an inclusive academic environment that accommodates students of different religious backgrounds, maintaining that there is no form of discrimination whatsoever.
What is unique with Muhammad Kamaludeen University is our divinity. Our divinity. Any soul coming to this university is blessed, either staff or students, and we have evidences to prove that. That divinity follows us as a university. Another one is the morals. You see, you might be a faith-based university, you can just preach according to that faith. Morals is one of our underpinning development of morals, because it is a grounded principle that underpins the society that owns this university. Muhammad Kamaludeen University is therefore not merely a new institution. It is an institutional expression of historic educational movement built on sacrifice, scholarship, and service to humanity.
Jimoh also commended the federal government for enforcing quality standards across Nigerian universities, stating that this strengthens the credibility of the Nigerian university system. The Vice-Chancellor reaffirmed the institution's commitment to academic and moral excellence, research development, and innovation, noting that plans are underway to expand programs and strengthen global collaborations.